YouTube. Mr. King coming at you live from the 209. So what we got today is the bell work. So remember, it's Fun Fact Friday. So how you do it, essentially, you're going to read a news article. You can either Google a news article or use the sites that I put on the bell work sheet for Friday. And then read the article and then answer the question in your bell work. For example, here is mine. Starting Unified School District is considering opening up K through 6th grades in November due to the high amount of chronic absenteeism in lower elementary. Why is it important? So school is not as beneficial virtually, and several students are struggling to complete their work. So I suspect that's why it's being considered. And then who does this affect? This affects all families, students, and teachers in Stockton. That was my example. My question that I had, what about all teachers who are at risk for COVID? And then what does this remind you of? This reminds me of the time that Chavez shut down in March, and I'm debating whether it's safe to go back. That's my example for the news. So that's what we did. Please pause the video now and answer that question in Friday. If you missed Wednesday or Thursday, here's the bell work for Thursday. If you could live anywhere besides Stockton, where would you go? Why do all cells need respiration? Hint, what is the point? And then 3, why is this meme funny? Why is this meme funny? What is it talking about? Wednesday. Here's Wednesdays. What is the scariest animal to you? Why do the biggest organisms need oxygen? And what does anaerobic mean? So those are the Wednesday bell work questions too. When you guys are done with all the bell work, please hit turn in for classwork. Week 8, Fun Fact Friday. That's where you turn it in. And then go to Fun Fact Friday plus Wildfires. Here's what we're doing today. So it's just a worksheet for our climate change unit. We are going to be going over wildfires. Today we're going to investigate why California has an epidemic of wildfires. So if you guys notice, here's a picture that USA Today took of California a few weeks ago. As you can see, like Stockton is right around here next to Sacramento. And then we were surrounded by fires. All the red is uncontrolled. Blue is more controlled fires. So as you can see, like we had no escape for a while. It has gotten better though, because the temperature has gone down. Also, so we are going to be starting our climate change unit. And here's just a sobering fact I want everyone to see. Here are the 10 hottest years on Earth recorded. And you may notice the last 5 years have all been the last 5 hottest. 2020 is likely to be take the number 1 or 2 spot. So we're going to talk about why is this happening to us? What's going on? That's what we're doing today. But to start, you're going to learn about wildfires. So what you're going to do, you're going to talk about what you noticed and what you're questioning. Write 2 questions and 2 things you saw after you watch this wildfire video. It's made by National Geographic. It'll talk about Wildfires 101. So write down 2 things you noticed, 2 questions you have, and then answer these questions in the video. That's all we were doing today. And then take the attendance survey. Yeah. And then finish the respiration project or quiz. Whatever you haven't finished, please do that over the weekend. I'm going to be updating grades then. All right, cool. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.